Sorry, this has to be addressed. How did this become this, become this, become this?
She's a bad thing, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god, that's my baby, Caroline.
Hello everyone, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caroline, this me. Welcome to another start to finish wig install tutorial and review. And today we are working with HerGivenHair company. This hair company is giving me so late 2000s, 2010 era. So this company was popping when it came to like having hair for the natural hair girlies and like texture that match natural hair girls. And I've always wanted to work with them when I was like younger, and now I got the chance. They sent me their wig. This is a very interesting wig. It has very minimal lace, like literally this is all the lace it has. Let me show you. Like I don't know what to call this, like what, a 2x2? Like I guess a 2.5 by 2. Very small, very minimal amount of lace. I don't know about pre-plucked, but the knots on this lace on it is pre-bleached, as you can see, giving scalp. Yeah, apparently you can do a lot of different hairstyles, not just lace hairstyles. And we're gonna see how that goes, because I'm just feeling weird, y'all. I'm never feeling weird for whatever reason it may be. A good temporary fix for me is to just do my hair. Sounds a bit vain, but you know, people do drugs, I do my hair. Anyways, yeah. So let's play with our hair and let's see what we come up with. I'm gonna install this the first way, the traditional way you would assume you could do this. Ooh, let me do the band. Maybe like a side part. Okay, so I could also easily turn it into a side part, as you guys just saw me do. I wanna like have my edges out and stuff, and mind you, my hair is not even in a braid or anything. It's just in some whack ass ponytail. See how my dark hair is blending? But let's see if I can get my natural hair to blend with this mess though. So let me not bring out too much. Let me go ahead now and re-pull that drawstring so like it fits the new shape I've created. I can see this working out though. Like it's about to eat. Make these curls pop a little bit, but this is gonna eat. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these curls together. Okay, so I just spray the hair with literally just water. I don't know, my camera got sprayed and shut off, but I'm just trying to redefine these curls, because I always say curls just look better out when you don't work them out the box. So I'm going in with just water right now. I'm trying to soften up the hair and brush it through. I'm going to brush through what's the drawstring is what I'm mistakenly brushing. Just give her a good little paddle through. These curls are so nice. Like I wasn't thinking I was gonna like this wig so far. Mind you, I haven't even done anything, but the way I just like the wig. And there's barely any lace, but I just like it. I feel like the coloring too. I feel like they're more niche and more pricier, but I think it's also one of those companies you get what you pay for. Gonna now go in like I did earlier, just bring out some of my leave out, but not too much, but just enough. Because if I had more like natural, like if my hair was more kinky and curly, I'd bring out more. Since it's not, I'm gonna bring out too much. Go on with edge control, just to blend all of this out. See, already is eating, is it? I don't know. I think it is.
Like sweet baby on a G-way. I get you anything
go on ahead and put this satin band to like hold down those edges I just did. Mind you, only did one side. And while the hair dries, I'm gonna do my makeup so I can feel like a cutie patootie. Do a quick little makeup on the face and come back. So once the hair was kind of halfway dried, I went in and I added like a little light layering to the bang, not too much. I feel like the hair already kind of like shaped itself with a light bang the way it came cut naturally, but I just wanted it out of my eyes more. And I realized this hair, as pretty as the curl pattern is, once it gets dry, it easily poofs up and gets big. So to kind of help that, I do this little trick where I just wet the hair again and do finger coils in certain areas just to help keep the curls stay in a nice tight uniform even when it's dry. Okay, so the hair is still kind of wet and drying. But y'all, this looks so good. Like, what? Lace where? I mean, like right there. Like, you can't really like tell, can you? Better, I'm gonna do like a little behind the hair. Put some mascara right here where the closure, the lace is. That way you can't like see it. Alright. This blend's so good. Like, I was not expecting myself to like this so much. Like, it's honestly super natural. Like, here's the hair tucked behind my ears, and I feel like if you have like a better texture, it will blend even better. But like, it looks super natural. That small little piece of lace right there just like give it a part. And I like this better than like a V part, because I'm sure you're probably asking yourself what's the difference between this and like a V part wig. I feel like because this is usually a lot less leave out, and your hair can be shorter and it'll blend better. I feel like this is better if you don't have that much like long curly hair. You see how like my texture doesn't even match at all with this wig, but I'm still managing to like blend it out and blend it with it and make it look natural. Like, I'm really into this. Like, I like how this looks. Remember I told you guys this wig can do many hairstyles, so here we are just switching the wig over to the center because I wanted to try the middle part. At first I didn't want to because I was like, my big forehead, all my edges, the middle part was not going to eat, but actually the middle part did eat just as well. I just went ahead and did the same thing I did on the side. I pulled out those edges in the front, very minimal, and I just went back and just wet the hair and finger coiled everything. I wanted the curls to like pop again. I will say this hair, it does get very big if you play with it easily, but I don't mind the big look. But I also wanted to show you guys how it looks when it's nice and tamed. So just like some finger coils and mousse will help hold those curls in place. Here's how the curls look at about like 80% dryness, and with me not playing with it too much, so it hasn't gotten too big, and it looks so natural, guys. Like, and it's so low effort. I don't even have my hair in a braid, any pattern. It's just like in a little bun. Mind you guys, my hair is relaxed and it blends perfectly. My hair is even dark and it blends. I feel like this is a hair that anyone can really pull off. Here's how the hair looks like when it's like fully dried out. I've been playing with it. It's like nice and big and full and like a mane type of look. And this hair, I was wearing it kind of like in a full lace kind of way, so there's no leave out at all. My hair is slicked back in the back. I just wear it with the little piece of lace that it has in the front. That's how I'm wearing it right here in this style. And another thing too, you can also wear this as like a full bang, like a front bang type of thing. So I just pulled those two little pieces out to cover my face. And I like it like this too. Like, this wig is literally so versatile. Like, I think I like wearing it this way because it's like a hat. Like, I literally wear this wig as my errand. I just throw it on my head with the full bang and people think it's like my real hair. It's giving Shaka Khan, not the right person, the right reference. But yeah, I don't know, this is probably like what, this is now hairstyle 3-4, but for the final look, this one is gonna gag you guys. My favorite part about this wig is that it can turn into a drawstring ponytail. I literally just take those two clips that is on the side, clip that into my little mini ponytail of my natural hair, and then I go ahead and just clip the wig in the back as well. And I use that drawstring, pull it, and it scrunches up into the perfect, very, very big and full looking ponytail. Don't worry about the little lace on top to cover that. All I did was I took the drawstring and just wrapped it around the hair so that way like the lace kind of bends in a bit. And then to really conceal it, I didn't show this part on camera, I'm sorry, but if you're used to doing ponytails, when you take like a little piece of hair from the back and wrap it around to just kind of help you cover it up. Like, look how cute this is. Honestly, this like just, I feel like because it's a wig, so it's super full and big, it just looks like I have so much hair when literally it's just a wig. I don't know how to explain it. I love this part so much. It's very like innovative and super versatile. You can also do other hairstyles, like you can do a half up, half down. This wig can be turned into a half wig. The possibilities are endless with this type of wig, honestly. I feel like the less lace equals more fun when it comes to this wig. Here's a look at the back, how it looks, let you know like it's unclockable. Just make sure you tuck in that drawstring, okay? But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. This wig honestly shocked me. I've never had a wig like this, and I want more like this. Like, this is what a wig is supposed to be, okay? Like, you got many wigs for the price of one. And if you're not a fan of this color wave, I do feel like mentioning this wig does come in different colors, so definitely check that out. They have like a regular just 1B, but I just like this color. I don't know, I just felt like it suit my skin tone really nicely. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys in today's video. Comment down below which look was your favorite look. Was it the middle part, the side part, the ponytail, the full bang? Opportunities are endless with this type of wig. But I'll see you guys in another one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye. Through the sign in a Jeep, all because of what I did.